Hello guys, you're welcome to another exciting episode of our DIY. So today I'm going to show you guys on how you can make a lightning luxurious body butter. So today I'm using shea butter and avocado butter. Body butters are very nourishing to the skin, to dry skin, to skin patches. So why don't you sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to measure out all the materials I'm going to use, but I'm going to list them right now on the screen. So make sure you take a screenshot and watch, and make sure you listen to the end of the video, because I'm going to drop some tips at the end of this video for you to understand what you need to add and what not to add into your body butter. So now I'm making use of shea butter and avocado butter. Now we all know the benefits of shea butter. So for avocado butters are very good for the skin, especially for anti-aging. It prevents skin irritation. It helps to smooth wrinkles. So this avocado butter is very good for people that are from 30 upwards. It's also good for people downwards below 30, downwards below, but it's a necessity for people that is 30 upwards, just to get a more moisturizers into your skin, more vitamins into your skin as you age on. So everything I'm going to use now, like I said, I've listed them on the screen. I'm measuring out my waxes, my oils. I'm using lightening oils, I'm using lightening powders, and avocado contains vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, so it's very nourishing. So stay tuned while I explain more. So right now I'm measuring out my oils. Now I'm going to give you guys some tips at the end of this video. There are some oils you don't need to add into butters, and there are some powders you cannot add into your body butters. Now I'm measuring everything out. So I've already set my butters into a double boiler to dissolve with my waxes. So I added, the first step you need to do is you add your butters, your cetyl alcohol, your stearic acid, your Ewax, and allow it to dissolve. Now after dissolving, that's the second phase we're going to go into. So just stay tuned while I explained the second phase. So now I'm going to measure out my powders. I've already measured out my oils that I'm going to use: lightening oil, sunflower oil. So those are the oils I'm using. So now I'm measuring out my powders. One thing you need to take note is make sure you're using oil soluble powders. Use oil soluble powders, and also use oils that are not water based. We have water based oils, and we have normal carrier based oils. So this is my essential oil. So what I'm trying to say is, if you use a water based oil, it's not going to mix into your body butter. Neither if you use oil not soluble powders. If you use water soluble powders, it will not dissolve into your oil properly. So it's going to have a rough texture, like a sandy texture, after you melt and you put into the refrigerator. Is still going to have that sandy texture, or is going to sit at the bottom of your butters. So take notes, make sure you use only oil soluble um, powders. Use Make sure you use oils, don't use water-based oils. So stay tuned while I continue with the measurements. So now I'm going to measure out my powders. Stay tuned, guys, I don't want to be talking. So guys, I've almost done with measurement. Now the last powder I'm adding is arrowroot powder. Now the work of arrowroot powder is a texturizer. Now what do I mean by texturizer? Texturizers are some are powders that makes your oil less greasy. So right now the oil is melted, so I'm trying to turn it to use my hand to check the temperature. Then I'm going to add my powders. I'm actually going to pour it into, so I poured it into a bigger bowl to enable it to solidify. So right now it's back from the fridge. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to whip it. So I'm using my hand mixer because I don't have a whipping mixer. So I'm going to whip it till it becomes creamy, turns to a creamy texture. So right now I'm almost done, so it's just going to take me a few more minutes to mix it properly. So another last point is you can add colorant if you want to. Right here I added mica pigment to it, so that's why the color it's like more like an avocado color, because that's the color I wanted it to be. So I'm going to package it and get ready for sale. So stay tuned. So if you want to order, please visit our website. It's going to be there, luxurious body lightening body butter. So you can place order via our website or our Instagram page. We have big size and small size, that's 500 ml and 250 ml. So it's very creamy. So I'm going to show you guys how it feels like on my skin. I can see, and also you will see the less greasiness on my skin. So it's something that guys all skin complexion can use, and it's also something that guys can also use. So why don't you hurry up to my website, and don't forget to subscribe and gives me a thumbs up, please. Thank you. So guys, right now let me show you guys. You can see it's very thick, so no matter how you shake it, look at my hand right now. So all you have to do just to massage it into your skin. You can see the way it's feeling, and oh my god. So if you're not ordering, make sure you order. And here is the final result. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn up your notification bell. Bye guys.